Hey guys, hope you're feeling all right. Just wanted to film a video. Okay, so how to survive in quarantine. So, it's not easy. I've been struggling with it a lot. I love the outdoors. So, TikTok is really helpful. Tell you that. We have queens like Gabby DiMartino and Nikki DeMar who are killing the TikTok game. They've been helping me through the quarantine. God, especially, has been helping me in the quarantine. It's just this quarantine is really hard because you clearly can't go outside. Not that much. Not as much as you used to if you were outdoorsy. You really can't plan, so that's hard. I feel like what is essential in surviving this quarantine is keeping yourself busy. Like doing Skillshare, like hobbies, um, doing trade, like trade certifications online if you can, if you would like. Um, Try to find different interests, like, you know, like um, I love Netflix. It's been essential for me. It's been a godsend through the quarantine because with all this boredom, it's been really helpful. I feel like I believe exercise would be helpful through the quarantine. Like, I know it's very hard, but it's just like if you put music, you can get really into it, you know? So that's good to help you through the quarantine. There's nothing like good old sweating to your favorite music, you know. I feel like it's essential to talk to somebody in the quarantine, like your friends or family, you know, somebody who you trust through this quarantine because it's hard for everyone. And the good thing about the quarantine is that not it's not just you that's going through it, it's everybody. So even if you feel alone, may feel alone, you know, you're part of a community. So a lot of people, you know, suffer from the quarantine because some people's houses, you know, they got evicted because they couldn't pay, and it really sucks. And my regards to these people who, you know, really struggling, you know, in the quarantine, you know, with their housing, you know. And um you can post on TikTok, you know. A lot of people are spending their time on there. And there's so many things on TikTok. So you can learn a variety of things. You know, you don't have to be faith based. You can like there's dancing, there's so many things, organization, like a lot of things. Music, you know. If you're familiar with TikTok, you know what I'm talking about. It's very another interest you could try is poetry. Start trying to learn poetry. Um, Write a song. Yeah, and also another thing to take advantage of in the quarantine is YouTube. You know, everyone's stuck at home anyway. It would be a great idea to make videos on YouTube. You know, could get a couple subscribers. Who knows? Maybe, you know, could be the next internet sensation, you know. So, yeah. So, these are just my tips on surviving the quarantine. And be positive. And positive affirmations are really helpful, you know, um, in the quarantine. So I believe it's a good idea. And read your Bible. Probably a good idea. I feel like I should say that. Read your Bible because, yeah, just it helps you give hope. It helps give you hope and give people hope. So, other people hope. So, yeah, even if it's just a verse a day, you know. So, bye. If you have any tips, leave it in the comments. Don't be shy. I love the comment section because I feel like I'm a part of a community on YouTube. And I really feel like the comments is where, you get to start the conversation. Like you start the conversation for certain topics. So I encourage you to, if you feel, alone or you just, need someone to talk to, um, the comment section. The comment section is a perfect way to, relate to people. It's like having a conversation. So, yeah, I encourage you to be kind through the comments and, just get a conversation going because it's very freeing to talk to somebody, you know, and that you can see they like your comment or they reply feels good. So I feel like, the comment section is like a celebration of that. So don't be shy. Bye.